because this would have been fun to do 10 years. Yeah,
I
this
mean,
would have been fun to do to
his was written
learn
10 years
the
ago, but
command line. I had to learn a lot of
we
stuff
already
just
like
by,
overshadowed a couple of those
making
commands
stuff,
because Sed does it much better.
Yeah.
But, script kiddie. Yeah. Yeah, the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
I don't know. This should be like a real class, Like, what
Yeah.
if this was a real class in college people
Yeah, it
took,
is. It is.
and it's to learn the command line?
Just familiarity, bro. What I'm thinking is like,
Yeah. Right?
what am I trying to
You'd
say? Like,
understand a
how
lot more about
much
how
flat?
Unix systems
I'll call
work,
them flat files. Like,
Like even for
not
Mac and stuff.
they're text. They're readable by text. They could be JSON. They could be CSV. They could be anything, but they're flat files. You don't need. How
Well,
much of
yeah,
those
you
are we
did for
willing
sure
to
because
like?
you're a script kiddie or
Do we
something.
want to
Because
go
I don't know
all
what they
that
call
way,
you
which I think there
because
is a path,
like
or
that
do we
fucking
also want
command
to
was so
incorporate
fucking
some
complicated,
executable stuff, some
bro.
compilation stuff? Docker, for example.
That was sick. That was fucking sick, dude. I mean, to me, it seems complicated. To me, it seems complicated.
Okay, flat file. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we're thinking the first. Okay. 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 Because this is. I think we have to figure this out. I think we have to figure this out. We have to figure out how difficult of a progression are we going. So are we starting with a whole bunch of .txt files in chapter 01, and you're going to learn and you can solve everything with grep, and then in chapter 2
Maybe
you
for
can
this
solve
one,
everything with awk
we keep it a
or
little bit
sed,
simpler.
and then in chapter
Like I want it to
3
be like as you
you
progress,
script
it
something,
gets more and more difficult.
and so on and so
And
forth.
I mean, we can
Or
definitely
do we
do that.
want
Maybe that's the
to
last one
just
or something.
what are you thinking?
Yeah, we did. We do.
Let's okay. Okay. So we could do
I would like to do it like that, but I don't know. I would like for it to do that, but
I think we might be able to get
I
away
don't
with
know.
it
Text
if
files
we
are just
had
like
sort of an assistant,
kind of boring.
kind of
Maybe
like an
we go a
assistant
little bit
markdown,
more complicated.
maybe for the first few, and then slowly that
But
assistant isn't there to
yeah,
assist you with awk and grep. It's to assist you with compiling for C.
maybe the first. Okay, maybe the
And
first
then
like
you could go to that
4 or 5
file and you could see
chapters
like,
are
oh, these
like
are some of the tricks I need to
simpler,
do. This is
right?
how
Maybe you need
said
2, 3, 4
can
skills or
get
4
from
tools,
the
and then it just
beginning to
like
the end of text
ramps the
and
fuck
retrieve
up.
that
Like,
text. And this is
like,
how
oh, that was just to warm you
how
up to the
you
idea of
get
the
the
terminal. This is
value
like to like
dollar out
fuck
of
your ass in the
JQ
terminal.
from a JSON that returns dollar. And then this is how you get the number, and this is how you get the dollar, and this is how you get both. And then we just leave that there. And then maybe, like you said, it would be more of like
Yeah.
every
Okay.
chapter you're getting a different hint, not necessarily hint file, but maybe a guide, maybe an assistant.
Yeah.
You think about,
I agree.
and then eventually at the top or
Mm.
in the higher ones, you have an assistant file that's just the Docker command to get into a different shell, and then that's it. And then you have to go around and find, oh, this is an image file. I need to load that into the Docker.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, right. I like that. Yeah, it definitely is.
Yeah, I agree. I like that idea. I like that idea.
So I was thinking that I'd write a story, you'd write a story, I'd write a
Yeah.
story, you'd write a story, but then together
Yeah.
we'd go back to like the first chapter
Yeah, that'd be
and
cool.
try to build the
Maybe
data
okay, okay,
out.
maybe a prison, right?
Because
Could be a
what
Docker
the don't
image.
forget the other
And
thing
you have
that
to spin
I
it
had
up
along with my
and you have to
story
SSH
was
into it
where
or
I thought
something,
the data points were,
you know?
and we'll
And
probably go
then you
back and
can
add
look
more
at
data
all the
points.
records in the
And then
prison.
because those data points, like we can look at any time and just be like,
Because like prison's kind of like a
okay,
sandbox, right?
I need to build out this data set
I don't know, dude. I think we got some good ideas
because they
here.
said I went to the bank at 6,
Do you want to
right?
work on the
That's competitive.
story
And
for
then yours
the
doesn't
third
have to
one,
be a
or do you want to
profession;
work
it could
on
be something weirder.
the actual like the actual
So
game, like the files and
I
stuff
guess you just have the
for the third
story,
one?
right? And then yeah, either
Yeah.
way, I was thinking that we would both kind of build the data sets out
Okay.
together
Okay. Okay.
just to
Yeah.
have
Let's do that then.
perspective
I
on
like that.
the gameplay part.